Howdy! It's your old buddy Travis again. As you can see, this is not Minecraft. No. Kids, this is Oregon Trail, the director's cut. Some of you may be familiar with the old classic educational game called the Oregon Trail, which it showed how pioneer life was traveling across the country back in the Old West. And the only difference here, they're zombies. I guess is the best way to describe it. I decided to do probably just a one-shot of this. I don't know if people will really like it or not. I just thought I'd give it a shot. Something fun and new to try. I am planning on doing a Minecraft episode soon, so y'all, stay tuned for that. But let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. You see, Radar's already been playing. So we'll start a new game, and we will do a campaign. Well, since this is I really don't have a lot of experience with it so far, so we're just going to go easy because, well, I'm a wimp. I don't have co-op, so no. So who should we choose? The dude? Oh, okay, I see. So we got him and these two ladies right here. We're just going to go with the dude. Well, Clemens will be sad. Well, yeah, we're going to skip the intro. We don't, yeah, let's go ahead and play the intro. Why not? Click on an enemy to draw a line. Ooh, wow, this is Fixity, isn't it? Aha! Wow, this is Fixity. Oh. There we go. Oh, now, what is this? What is this? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, and I'm out of him. Oh. Oh, I bet that's Clemens. Oh, he's so much better at it than I am. Well, then, it looks like I just saved your bacon. I reckon we stand a better chance out there if we stick together. My name is Clemens. I used to be a priest. Not much use for those nowadays. What's your name, partner? Well, it's Travis. Pleasure's all mine, Travis. Listen, even with the two of us, we won't survive very long. Everyone I trusted died a while back. Well, that's sad, isn't it? Do you know anyone we could count on in a pinch? Oh, this is the fun part. I could put my friends in the game. So first we're going to start with Dan, of course, our resident artist. And then let's try Bobby. Hey, Bobby. And who else? Well, how about Wally? Why not? And Guthrie. I hope none of you die. That's going to be sad. But, oh, remember, this is just a game. Don't get too sad now, because I don't know how well I'm going to do. There's a good chance if they're still alive, they will be at the shelter set up in D.C. If they have any sense, that is. We're going to need a way to get around. I saw an old station wagon a few blocks back. Those things might not be very reliable, but you might be surprised how roomy they are. Anyway, let's get moving. Now, this is... okay. Well, that looks nothing like me. So you can shoot and do that. Oh, you can. All right. Well, I'm not going to mess around too much here. I'm going to get to the car. All right. I think I've got just enough fuel and food for us to make it to DC in this baby. Let's hit the road and I'll drive. Why can't I drive? Alright, and this is where it all starts to show what we got going on. 135 miles to Washington, D.C. Here we go. Ah, Clemens. It's already broken an arm. Didn't see that coming. Clemens says dysentery. What was I telling you? What was I telling you? And he was bitten by a zombie. Well, you aren't good in the clinch, are you? You are out of fuel. That looked like I had a full tank. What the heck? Alright. Just as the station wagon runs out of fuel, you coast into the city. You can hear a radio blaring in the nearby window. Repeat, all survivors who still remain in Washington, D.C., the government has declared a Class 3 biohazard in the area. They will be commencing a nuclear strike within a few short hours. Get out while you can. The city is lost. Well, things certainly look dire, don't they? Looks like we have a time problem. I'll go look for your friends at this shelter. Meanwhile, you should go scavenging for supplies. I've heard about a place on the West Coast that is supposed to be a safe haven from all this chaos. Let's meet back here and head out. Here, take my journal. I've written down everything I know about surviving on the road. It should help you decide what you think we may need on the trip. I can't read. I can't read. Alright, so let's see what we got. Pick the supplies you want to gather. 18 hours. Hour remaining 18. Okay, so we can divvy up these points, whatever, into things we may need on the trip. So fuel is a good thing to have, so we'll get 2 of those for now. We'll grab a couple of these med kits. We'll grab a little bit of money because we may need to trade and buy things on the road. And batteries, some food, some ammo, a couple extra tires, a couple extra mufflers, and we are good to go. What's a journal? You can travel for 4 hours on a tank of gas. I find that you want to have at least 8 tanks with you at any given time so you can make it to your next destination. And even then, these suckers seem to get lost or stolen all the time. Oh, well, that's good to know. Okay. Oh, I still have 2. So, I think we'll grab an extra med kit and food. Alright. Your friends join the party. They don't look like any of my friends, but okay. Anything you say. Everyone's here. There's just one more thing. Back there on the road, one of those things bit me. I'm already not feeling too well, and I can't stand the thought of becoming one of them. You're going to have to put me down. Why don't you keep my journal? It may help you out there. Good luck. Wow. Sorry to hear that, buddy. But oh, well. Yeah, had to put him down. He was a zombie. He's going to turn. 230 miles to Pittsburgh. So let's hope our RNG works for us. For those of you who aren't familiar with that term, it's random number generator. Anything and everything could happen. So let's get on the road. 335 miles to Pittsburgh. Let's see what we got. Oh, Wally. You have the measles? Seriously? Oh, that's not going to do us too well. Heavy ash covers the windshield, which forces you to slow down. Here we go. Oh boy. Well, so far so good. Well, looks like we're going to get... Yeah, looks like we're going to get to Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh. And here we can trade stuff, sell, whatever. Let's check our supplies. We got 14.5 fuels, plenty of scrap. Scrap is used to repair your car. It's got these mini games. I don't know about those, but we'll see how that works out for us. Med kits, tires, batteries, mufflers, money. All right, let's go back to the town and see about that auto shop. Is there anything in here? A ninja muffler. A ninja muffler automatically succeeded. Oh, can't talk. Automatically succeeds sneaking through the hordes. Really? All right. Well, we're buying it. Done, dude. Now, I don't think I need to rest yet, but I am going to use my med kit. Now, he's still going to have the measles. Well, that was a waste of a med kit. I just hope you don't give them to everybody else there, Wally. Talk to stranger. Be warned, stranger. Don't dig a water hole. Drink only river water. Salty as the river is. Salty river water? I thought it was, well, whatever. It's better than an infection. We buried my husband last week. Could use some help with this grave for my kids if you can spare the time. All right. I think we're good. Let's head on out. Yes. Now, you must cross a horde of zombies in order to continue on the road. The horde in front of you is currently large in size and appears to be docile. Well, we did just get that ninja muffler. So let's see what we got. Break out the guns, clear a path, automatically sneak through. There we go. Check it out. Got you silently through the horde. Well, that's good. A mall? Alright, let's head to the mall, kids. So far, so good. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. It's something fun to try out. And I think it's a lot of fun. It's a little mindless fun. Doesn't hurt nobody. Oh. You fall asleep at the wheel and crash into a parked car. Are you serious? And Dan throws up. Car sick, Dan? Wally no longer has the measles. Well, that's good to know. All right. Well, talks about a time before all this started. Everyone is somber. Left to Die is showing at the mall. Oh, boy. All right. Let's check our supplies. Food. We're good on food. Wow, we're pretty good on everything right now. Should we ration? The amount of food the people in your party consumes each day will affect their health. Small, medium, and large portion sizes consume 1, 2, and 3 ounces of food per hour, respectively. Okay, let's I don't know. We have plenty of food right now, but that may change. How are we doing? 3 a.m. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's rest for a few hours. Tick, 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 tick. All right. Done. Let's leave. Yes. Oh, we're heading to Indianapolis. Okay, what's going to happen today, kids? Wally walks off to take a... Oh! And comes back with a bite wound. Oh, man! Are you kidding? Oh, dear. And there went my, my ninja muffler. What's the upgrade today? Off-road tires. No slow down during sandstorms. Repairs. Do I need to do... Oh! Yeah. That'll have to do us for now. Do we have anything? We have food. Med kits are the most expensive. Jobs. Drop something of great value to me just outside of town. If you find it, please return it. $12. That ain't worth it. Car. Party. Wally. Oh dear. I know this. Using a medkit will not cure bitten members of their infection. You have 14 medkits remaining. I'm sorry, Wally. Oh boy. You aren't going to like what may happen. Oh boy. 212 miles to farmland. We'll see what happens. You get caught, really. The cold will tax your health and you will have to drive more cautiously. Swerve to miss a squirrel and get stuck in a ditch. Well, Dan gets bored and starts making a really annoying noise. Oh, sky clears up. Well, that's something, isn't it? Your tires start making a strange noise, but appears to still be working. Which means those things will be gone soon. Oh my God. All right. We are. Heavy fog rolls in. You are forced to drive more slowly. Well, it's a good thing we got here, isn't it? Okay. Well, let's see. Let's check our party out. His health, it's getting... I know that ain't going to help much, but probably not at all. 6. Rest for an hour. Well, 2 hours. All right. How are we all doing? I hope you don't turn, Wally. I hope you don't turn. Oh, wait, no. I gotta see how much gas I have. Oh, I hate these little repair games. Really? Upgrades. Repair. I stink at these repair games. But we'll see what we can do. Oh, date. Well, let's try it again. It's all about timing, and I really stink at that. All right, we're... That's all I can do right now. All right, let's check our supplies. Food, we're getting low on food. Let's see what we got. Food. How much is that going to cost me? 20. That's probably not going to be enough. All right. We're done. And what do I need to do? Actually, our family couldn't scavenge enough food when we left. We have been eating very small rations since the East Coast because of that. Our health is poor. My sister has mountain fever, so we're stopped here for a while. Rationing. We're going to have to do that too. Sorry guys, but we're getting kind of low on the food. Alright, I think oh, a bike gang, huh? A bike gang. Use the WASD or arrow keys to move. Bandits will try to pull up next to you and shoot. Crash into them and knock them off their bikes. Alright. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sorry. Sorry, my fault. Did you want to pass? I'm sorry, what? That ain't happening. Yeah. 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 Sucks to be you. There should be. Dang. This is a big box game, isn't it? There we go. We did it! Alright. We're getting close. We should be getting close to the next town. Oh, we're just leaving. We're heading to Chicago, kids. We found a fuel can in an abandoned gas station. Well, there you go. Let's hope for the best. You took a wrong turn. And I'm driving! Oh my goodness. Abandoned car, but there was nothing to be scavenged. Oh, well. You spend some time cleaning guts out of the car. Ugh. All right. Well, that's special. Here we are in Chicago. All right, guys. I think that's going to do us for now. Believe it or not, we're getting real close to my time here. So if you enjoyed this, let me know down in the comments below, and be sure to leave a like. So until next time, kids, stay safe and be good.